Right.
Let's do it over there where Richard.
This is Luke with his balls attached to a helicopter by a piece of string. And we're about to launch this bastard into the sky.
Can we just give it a test with me holding it?
Yeah, I know. So cool.
We got to see if it's top first with a bit of spring effect. Jack our straight through.
Here goes nothing. Alright.
We got
Helicopter.
Come on, you got to
Balls.
short down, mate.
String.
Oh wait, come on, sorry, hold on.
Tying it to his balls. String. Helicopter! String. Helicopter! Come on!
Good old tie.
Chop inward. Chop inward. Chop. Oh, helicopter!
You might want to hold that in the air, please. No, he's stepping on it.
He ain't ready. Chop.
Have your trousers down. He's got to record it. I've got trousers down. He's got to record it. Move your hand. Move your hand. Go on. Oh,
Chop.
let it go. As soon as it goes up.
That's it.
Come here.
We need a bit of leeway.
Right.
Luke, pull your trousers down.
Stand back. Richard.
Ready?
Move out the way. This really hurts.
Yeah, wait for it.
Ready? Move your hand. I'm not ready. Move your hand. Do it.
Go! Pull your trousers down! Helicopter's in the sky! Oh my god! Oh my god!
And again! Do it again! I didn't get a full move your hand.
Matt, pull your trousers down.
I'm holding it, and let's pull your trousers down. It's there, you can see it. It's not my neck.
Just give it a tug.
I don't want the...
Come here! Right, pull his trousers down.
Can everyone stand behind me? Why did you do with me? Ready?
Up it goes. Oh no! Shit! Wait! The helicopter's stuck in a tree. Come down, little boy.
Wait for it. Don't pull it too hard. Grab the plane.
Freedom.
Got it? Come here. Yeah. No, I need to... Yank it. I've got the plane. Okay, maybe not.
Oh. Where was it? Oh yeah.
Oh,
Chop inward.
go on? Just go get a firework. He's obviously not happy.
We'll do it to a firework.
What, you're doing that to a firework? I'll do it to a firework, brother.
We'll do it to a firework.
Fireworks to my house.
Go get them.
Right.
Let's get some fireworks.
Drive. Let's go. Okay, fireworks.
Chop inward.
Right, you're actually fire fireworks. You're not.
I'll do that one in.
Firework to a knob. Stay tuned for part 2.
You're not.